Well, hey there, folks. Chuck here, and if you've stuck around Diecast Media Network at all, you know that we have an affinity here for diecasts of all kinds. And friend of the show, Big Lou Tanahara, has done just about any diecast designs you can think of, and we've kind of been a little obsessed over here with his latest project, CarTuned. You might have heard of it. It's only taken over Instagram and diecast YouTube for the last, year or so. And for good reason. It's a unique product with a really cool idea. It's a really interesting take on the tuned look and really thoughtfully designed. And when MGA came to us and said, "Hey, would you like another box of cartoon stuff?" We were like, "Yes, please. We've been buying it ourselves, so sure, send us some more stuff." So really excited to dig into this. I know some other folks have gotten similar boxes, but be sure to like and subscribe because I have a special box that other people don't have that I'm going to be digging into on a future live episode of Diecast Breakdown. So you won't want to miss that one. I've been sitting on that one for a while, and I'm really excited to, share it with y'all. So, yeah, I've been trying real hard not to get spoiled by the other creators sharing their boxes. So, let's dig in and see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got. Always ask a parent's permission before using an X-Acto knife, kids. Especially if you're over 14. Can't tell you how many grown-ups I know have hurt themselves so badly on an X-Acto knife. Myself included. Alright. What is this? Look at that. It's a toolbox. It's a cool box. Well, it's nothing cool about it. That's flames. Those things are hot. Alright. Really excited about this. Let's see. We got some blinged out wheels. Well, a blinged out wheel on the back there. CarTuned. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Alright. What else we got? We got some logos here that are reminiscent of other brands of iconic car fame. That's very cool. See, we got little hinges, Lou and Baljeet are all about the details over there at MGA, and this is no exception. So let's dive in and see what we got. Okay, here we go. Oh wow. Fresh rides, fresh air, full speed ahead. This season is shifting into high gear, so it's time to give our cartoon collection a little spring tune-up. We've sent over some fresh new models to keep the fun rolling all year long. Show us how you're revving up your spring with CarTuned. There's taking your tag or showing off your display. Tag us. Let's make some noise. Hashtag CarTuned. Hashtag roll with us. All right. Well, I'm loving this GTO-ish themed cartoon. The beanie, CarTuned beanie. Look at that. And like all things CarTuned, it is total high quality stuff, not a slapped on patch. This is all embroidered in there. Look at that. It is bright orange. Definitely not losing that in the drawer. Love it. All right. Oh, look at this 3-pack. I have yet to see a 3-pack in the wild. And I love that, in case you haven't seen, on the bottom of all the 2 and 3 packs, there's a little scene built in. And what does it say? No parking, customer parking only, no overnight parking. So there's different shop fronts on each of the 2 and 3 packs. So here we got a Lowrider series here, styling and profiling. As I mentioned, Lou is all about the details, so you got to look around and go, okay, what do we got? We got a spotlight on a helicopter here. We got wheels that looks like they match each of the wheels and tires on this particular set, labeled Lowriders. Again, just love the amount of detail that goes into these cars, and you know, with their smooth swap chassis system, if you want these rims on the 57 Chevy, you can swap them out, or if you want to make silver and gold on the C10, you can do it that way too. And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and about 5 seconds worth of time. That's a little more than that. Ooh, speaking of, look at that. A special smooth swap chassis system screwdriver. Oh man, that's never leaving my desk again. That is too cool. I love that. That is a very nice touch. It looks like it came with some gummy stuff to hold it in place. Alright, good news is that's coming right off. And we got like a shop towel, like a microfiber shop towel. That is very cool. And again, embroidered straight onto the fabric, not some hot glued on afterthought. Love it. And we have got a special CarTuned Customs panel van. I do not have this casting yet. That is very cool. This is part of Series 4. As I mentioned, I may or may not have some Series 5 stuff to show you very soon. But you didn't hear that here. It's a secret. You're going to have to tune into Diecast Breakdown Live coming up here in a week and see if that's the case. And look at this. Even in the clear plastic, there's a little CT logo. Love that. And love the very subtle nod to some previous work that Lou has done. This flame job is a very much a Big Lou signature thing that he likes to sneak into his packaging. You can find it across a bunch of his different models through the years. You know the ones. And love this flame job. Love that fire engine red look. Look at that front. That front is so cool. Love that. Love the headlights. And just really, really nice for the money, for any, just period. You know, that one is going to be a very cool one to have on the shelf. And another fun fact, you've got wheels up here, so those would be these wheels. Nice little knob with the red lines. And over here, this would be the next vehicle in the series that would match up to it. In fact, almost. Yeah, look at that. Not quite, but love that. And on the back here, this is the one I really want to get. This 53 Chevy pickup. It's got a for sale sign in the window. That's a nod to another series with another brand that Lou did that I enjoy very much. And just really cool. That Vandura. Can't wait for that one too. Love this lineup so far. And that JDM set, have you seen it? The JDM set is amazing. I cannot wait to get my hands on that. And I'm not a JDM guy, but I still love it. 53 Chevy pickup and another 53 GMC panel in a Moon Eyes nod CarTuned livery. Let's see. CarTuned Equipment Co. Speed Shop. Can't quite make out the details on all that. CarTuned Speed Shop. Let me know in the comments if you can read that little tiny text down there. Can you see it? Yeah, let's see. Something California. And again, another shop. Got little, I love even the details like the little trash can, and there's the Series 1 poster. I have that poster hanging up in the studio that we record Diecast Breakdown in. So make sure to, again, subscribe so you don't miss out on that. It's the Speed Shop series. All right, well, that is a great collection of things. Big shout out to Louis Tanahara and Baljit Singh and the rest of the MGA team for thinking of us and keeping the creators in mind. Really cool set. I'm going to definitely save the box. I'm not really a save the box guy, but you know, when it's that cool, I mean, you gotta save the box. Look at that. What a cool thing. So, you know, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. And stick around because we got some really cool stuff coming up with CarTuned and a whole bunch of other awesome diecast stuff. So, as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So, until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.